How to cancel your Higgsfield AI subscription. So first of all, you must make sure you logged into your account in Higgsfield AI. From there, what you'll have to do is go to your profile icon and simply go to your manage account section. It will take some time to load. Go to the manage account section. And once you're in manage account, it will see your account settings. So you'll simply scroll down till you find. So make sure you have got like upgraded to a pro plan, and if you've done that, if you've got a subscription, you will be able to see that in the danger zone it will read like pro plan at the bottom. So you can simply select the cancel subscription option that will appear right here in your screen if you've got a pro plan, and then you'll simply follow the prompts they will ask you. It will take some time because they will ask you for significant verifications, and then you will simply be able to cancel subscription and the billings will not be added from then onwards. So that's it for the video. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.